Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel The United Road. And after a very long time I am doing a match review video. I was hoping that we will start this new year with a win and a good review will be done, but at this point of time I'm just furious. I want to say so many things, but I'm just trying to keep my cool at this point of time because the players, I will start with the players first. They don't seem to care about the fans, about the people who are backing them week in, week out. When they are not even bothered, losing my mind for them makes no sense at this point of time. I will get into how the game went. We don't have much to talk about the game, but we have lot of things in terms of mentality. When you talk about being a Man United player, you just have, regardless of the opposition, whether you are playing Wolverhampton, whether you are playing Norwich, you go out in every game to win the game. So this is something that we are not seeing, with this bunch of players at this point of time. It might change in the coming weeks, it might change just after 7 days, but we need to be consistent. The January window is on, and there are a lot of speculations as well, but we will keep that for another time. At this point of time, now I will start with the Wolverhampton game. Minute 1 to minute 90, it was all Wolverhampton. That's basically the summary of the game. For the entire 90 minutes, Manchester United at home was dominated, bullied, played around, toyed around by Wolverhampton, who has scored just 13 goals in their entire season so far, in the 18 games they played. They were definitely the defensive beast in terms of they have just conceded, they are the second least conceding team in the league, sorry. But apart from that, when you look at the front four of United, we were at least expecting one goal. So I will just you know go from the beginning, just talk in categories in terms of how our defense did, how the midfield was, and how our attacking players did. I will be starting with defense. To be honest, our defense did just all right. The goal we conceded, it was from long range. It could have gone anywhere, but it went into the back of the net. But apart from that, although they had many shots not on target, even on target it was 5 shots on target, but even though they were trying their best, most of the shots it was over the bar or made no sense to the keeper. So our defense in a way was good. Coming to the midfield, nowhere to be seen. Nowhere to be seen. And the point that bothered me a lot was, why was Bruno dropped? You know, you play McTominay and Matic against Burnley, and then you play the duo again against someone like Wolves. You know, to be honest, it was just one failure from Ralph's point of view. I think he got it wrong, absolutely wrong, by benching Bruno. He could have gone with McTominay and Bruno. He could have gone with Bruno and Matic, but although Bruno is not in the greatest of the forms at this point of time, dropping him made no sense. So our game was lost over there. To be very honest, in the midfield, they were literally dominating us. They had Moutinho and Neves. They were doing everything that we want our midfielders to do. you know we can talk about the formation, we can talk about the world class players we have, but we are disjointed as a team at this point of time. Going to our forwards, Sancho, one of his worst days. He could barely link up the play with anyone. He had a glorious chance, to give the ball to Ronaldo, just pass it, and we could have been up inside 15-20 minutes. That was one of the things. Second, it was Cavani. He blasted a shot over the bar. He could have given the ball to Greenwood. So when you look at this United team at this point of time, they might have world class players, but they are not playing as a team. They are disjointed in every aspect. The link up is not there. Even Cavani yesterday didn't have the best of his games. He was struggling big time in order to implement himself in the game, give that authority. He was making runs, but then there was no balls to be provided to him because our midfield was absolutely atrocious. As I said, this is where we lost the game, our midfield. So overall, I won't be keeping it very long. It's just a review video. Overall, out of 10, it was 4, and 4 just because two or three players of the team tried. De Gea kept us in the game, had some wonderful saves in the first 20 minutes. So overall, disjointed, not looking up to the mark. You know, the basics are missing. You can teach all the tactics and everything, but the basic point, the basic passing, it's not up there. And I don't know what they are doing in training. None of the United fans can understand what they are actually doing in training. So no idea about that. And at this point of time, we have the FA Cup coming in. We also have Villa again after that. So at this point of time, we can just hope and pray, because the way we are playing, top four is looking unlikely. As a United fan, we need to be in realistic world at this point of time. Top four is definitely looking unrealistic at this point of time, because we had the chance to close up the gap, and we have basically increased the gap. So even though we have games in hand, but it will be of no use if we cannot win that game and put pressure on the teams around us. So overall, it was a very disjointed performance. As I said, it was very, very painful to watch. Painful to watch because the passing was not there. Runs were missing. When Bruno was subbed in the 60th minute, we had like 5-7 minutes of possession, and that was it. So overall, you look at this team. Even Ralph, when you look at him, he's still trying to figure out what his best players are, and I don't blame Ralph at all, because he is here for just a month. And as he said, he will finally have a training session of 7 days where he will have full training with with the players. At this point of time, it was either 2 days or one day. Then we had the COVID outbreak, so everything mixed up. Our form is absolutely terrible at this point of time, and as a United fan, we can just hope and pray that this thing improves going forward, and in the next 2 months we do make some inroads into the top four. Because if we are not getting CL for the next season, I think we will see outrage. We will see, you know, lot of things which we don't want to see as United fans. The players will lose confidence. The players, a lot of players might even leave. So, in order to make sure that we are challenging at the top and challenging for the best competitions, it's high time. It's high time we regain our form and make sure that game like Wolves, game like Newcastle is not bothering us in future, and we tear them apart like we used to do before. So this was it on this video, and let me know what you think about this performance and how you think Ralph can make changes in order to make the team improve. So drop your comments in the comment section, and make sure that you keep following the team. Obviously you follow the team, and hopefully we don't make the mistakes again. So